Are you wondering which design tool is better for your next project? Today we are diving into Tailwind and Material UI. Both tools help developers create beautiful user interfaces, but they do it in different ways. Tailwind is a utility first CSS framework. It gives you low level utility classes to build custom designs. On the other hand, Material UI is a React component library. It provides pre built components that follow Google's material design guidelines. Let's start with Tailwind. This tool is all about flexibility. You can style your elements directly in your HTML. This makes it easy to create unique designs without writing a lot of custom CSS. Tailwind also allows for rapid prototyping, which is great if you want to see changes quickly. Now, let's look at Material UI. This library offers a set of ready to use components which can speed up your development time. Each component is designed to look good and work well together. Material UI is perfect if you want a polished look without spending too much time on design. So, what are the main differences? Tailwind gives you more freedom to customize. You can create any design you want. Material UI, however, has a more structured approach. It's great for developers who want a consistent look with less effort. When it comes to features, Tailwind focuses on flexibility and customization. Material UI shines with its extensive component library and design consistency. In terms of pricing, Tailwind is open source, so it's free to use. Material UI offers both free and premium components, making it accessible for different budgets. In conclusion, if you love freedom and customization, go with Tailwind. If you prefer a ready-made solution with a professional look, Material UI is the way to go. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.